Okay, so here is my explanation about the division using the same techniques that we use for multiplication. So let's remember that one. So we have 13 times 2. And remember, we taught the kids that we have the tens and the ones. And we're going to multiply it 2 times. So we have 1 and then we have 2. And then when we think about 13, 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones. And remember, these are just like using the 10, what am I trying to think of? Oh, you know, the rods and the units, it'll come to me. Anyway, so then we look at what we have, 10, 20. We have 20 plus 6, so our answer has to be 26. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now let's think about it as multiplication. So multiplication, remember, we're talking about related facts. So multiplication, so if we're going to take this again, we're going to take 26 and we're going to look at divided by 2. And we're going to use the same technique. So here are the tens and here are the ones, base 10 blocks. That's what I was trying to think of. Sorry, it just came to me. So here's the tens and here's the ones, or units, whichever way you want to call it. So now we have to think about, okay, so whatever we're doing, we're dividing it by 2. So again, we're going to look at there's 1 and there's 2. We're dividing it by 2. And now we're going to look at the number 26. So the 26 is made out of 2 tens, so there's two rods, and 6, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to divide that into the 2 that we're looking at. So we're going to give this 110 and we're going to give this 110. So we've used those. And then look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can divide that into the 2 circles by going like this. So our answer is going to be 13. So 26 divided by 2 is 13. Okay, I know that you're probably going, huh? Okay, do that again? Okay, so I will. Hold on, let me clear my board. I said that like it was going to be really fast, but it's not really fast. It will be. Here we go. All right, so let's look at another one, because I don't want it always to be as simple as that. So here we'll do 36 divided by 3. Okay, so here we go again. Here's our tens. Here's our ones. How many are we going to divide it into? We're dividing it, and you can even go like this if this helps the kids to make it seem like, you know, you're dividing it into 3. And 36 is 1, 2, 3. There's 30, there are 10 rods, and 6 units. There's 6 units. So each one will get 1 10 rod. See, 1, 2, 3, use those. And now I'm going to say 1, 2, use those. 1, 2, use those. And 1, 2, use those. So now I got 1, 10, and 2 is 12. So 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Okay? All right. So I'm going to do another one, because I know that you're going, well, that's really easy because you haven't really done anything different. All right. So let me show you another one. Here's one that may be a little challenging. 36 divided by 2. So again, here's the tens. Here's the ones. We're going to divide it into 2. Here's 36, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I got 36 on the brain. I've used that a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to give away this 110, this 110, and look, I still have a 10 left over, and I would have to split that 10 up, but in order to split it up, I want to have to change it into units. So I can't just like give it half of that. So I'm going to change this into my units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, well, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, here's one in one circle, here one in the other circle. So I got 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 18. So 36 divided by 2 equals 18. All right, let me do another one because I know you're probably still going, what? All right, one more. Here we go, or maybe two more. All right, so let's do 30 divided by 5. Now this should be a skill that they already know, right? They should be able to think about that one. But we're going to do it the same way. Tens, ones. So 30, boop, 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 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, I can make my line a little longer. 4, 5. Let's see. I can't put these in because I don't have enough. So I'm going to take this first one. I'm going to make it into units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, let's see. Do I have 5? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they're actually in pairs. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've used that. I use that. I use that. I use that. I use that. And you're going to do the same thing with each one. So here's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I used all of those. And now I got to do it with my last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All I'm doing is regrouping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see. I have 2, 4, 6. So my answer is 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6. All right, one more. You ready? Here we go. 28 divided by 4. Here's our tens. Here's our ones. How many groups? 4. 1, 2, gotta extend my line, 3, 4. 28 is made up of 2 rods and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 28. Wow. Okay, so let me think. Can I put this into 4? Well, no, I'm going to have to break that up. So I'm going to take that and break it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because this represents 10. So now let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I use 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look, I still have some left over. Oh, I haven't used these yet. Oh, I still have a 1 here. Let's go here first. But I haven't used those, and I haven't used any of those. So I'm going to rename this one into 10. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now I'm going to distribute these out. There's 2. There's 2. There's 2. There's 2. Oh, now, hey, I got 4 dots left, so I could give each one 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've used those. And now I'm going to come up here. What am I going to do here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I can give each one 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I used those. So now let's see what my answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer must be 7. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you and you get it.